L'histoire de nos pays est enterrée quelques centimètres sous nos pieds. Nous sommes Québec Détect et nous la ramènerons à la surface. Munis de nos appareils à la fine pointe de la technologie, nous sommes à la recherche des vestiges du passé. Reliques, bijoux, anciennes monnaies, pépites d'or alluviales. Nous vous invitons à suivre nos aventures et découvrir avec nous ces trésors jadis perdus, aujourd'hui retrouvés.
Eh bien, le bonjour à tous. Nous revoici Carl et Nadia pour québecdetect.com. On est en compagnie de M. Irving. On vient remettre les pièces qu'on a trouvées l'autre fois. Et puis là, monsieur nous a montré une pièce qu'il faut montrer à l'écran. Une pièce en or
1849, 1848, 49.
California gold.
De l'or de la Californie. Est-ce que c'est... Is it a Canadian coin or US coin? US coin?
Well, I don't know. Just smart. That's it. Just California.
California, it's a US coin. Canadien à l'arrière. Tu le vois-tu bien?
C'est vraiment une toute petite pièce pour
Wow.
votre information. Wow.
No, but today with the price of gold, that you'd see 10 years ago was maybe worth $300. Now it's probably worth 1,000. Hey? That's I mean. It's so tiny as a coin. Hey?
I'm curious to test the detector with it.
Yeah.
Alors, on va faire un petit essai avec le G2, Teknetics G2.
It's small.
Alors, on va procéder à l'essai de la pièce américaine indienne en or 14 carats, je crois. Ou 24 carats, je ne sais pas, faudrait que je regarde. Il faudrait me là pour voir. Alors, c'est de l'or californien qui est marqué dessus. On voit pas mal la grosseur de la pièce, puis on va la tester avec le G2.
Yeah, but that's. Yeah, but does it mark 100?
Non.
Hey?
Alors, la lecture qu'on obtient, c'est 48. 48-46 stable. Et si on discrimine un petit peu, le fer à 40. Parce que c'est vraiment petit. Puis le cap a une bonne distance.
I have something else. Where I was cleaning in that chest I was telling you with all the stuff. There's a jar there. I got some gold teeth. So imagine who had them.
Gold feet?
Yeah. You know?
Pirates!
No, did they take them out when the guy died, or did they, you know, or what?
For sure.
In bank to suit, eh?
That's
You still can't tell.
That's Quebec Bank Token 1852. Half penny.
Well, I got one right here.
Not the
1830.
same. 1820. It's older this one.
Yeah, it's 1837.
It's older this one.
And that's 52.
Yeah, it's 52. You see here, Quebec Bank Token?
Yeah, you can tell better on this one.
Yep, it's practically the same.
See,
And
Concordia.
half penny.
Isn't there Concordia or something here in the middle?
Yep, Concordia. Magnifique.
Yeah, but is that a penny as money to buy at the store, or is it a token to get on a boat?
Yeah, they deliver British bank deliver them give Quebec province the permission to pay with that. It was the money. On voit c'est quasiment la même chose, mais en plus gros et en plus vieux.
Mickey, will you go on?
So maintenant lui, jadis perdu, aujourd'hui retrouvé.
See, there's one
So
there.
I'll give you back this one. That's the new one we found.
Right.
Yours now.
No, but I mean, look the way it is. Is it worth anything as value?
Between 15 and 40 bucks.
Yeah.
But you got to find someone to buy it. There's plenty to sell on the web. That's an old button, shoulder button. You can see at the back it marks quality.
Huh?
It's an old soldier button
Yeah.
with quality mark at the back. It's yours now too.
Wow, you can keep it. freaking horsefly.
If you don't want it, I'm gonna keep it for sure. But this one, if you don't mind, this one would like to keep it. She's this is her older find, and she'll like to keep it if you don't mind. This is the
My lucky number.
It's a 1 penny, Indian head penny. It's worth about $3 on internet.
You know, there you go. Over 100 years old, $3. So you know what I mean?
You can order them by a ton if you want.
Huh?
You can order them.
Well, it's like my brother-in-law there. He's got coins from the. He's got coins from the Vikings, you know.
But you see here, yeah, it's marked 1,888. 88. If you will be able to read the stamp 87 over 88, it worth money, but this one doesn't worth money. Worth $3.
I don't know, can you see the date on this one? This is older, this one.
What's it? This is the one that I found the first one.
Yeah, in the field.
We cannot read, it's too old.
Old.
1 cent.
Yeah, but the one
Wow, c'est vieux.
You sure? With a good magnifying, you can't really...
I cannot. I didn't want to...
Yeah, but the one, when the girl come there, when the one she found was very thin like yours, around the same size, it was 1812.
But was it Canadian
Oh,
or European?
Wow. Yeah, but they must have been all...
It might be a Napoleon.
Huh?
It might be a Napoleon, what they call in France the name of the coin, I think. I think it's from Europe, not from here.
That's not a number on there or nothing there. No, can you see the date on this one there? See, there's a penny here, 1900. Is it?
Yep.
Is it 1900 that one?
1884.
Yeah.
Sous noir, 1884.
Voilà.
They were all about $5 on the internet.
That's
You got to find a gold and silver one.
1910.
Mais veux-tu prendre en note son coin qu'il a, le monsieur? Ça peut valoir beaucoup d'argent.
Oui, pas de problème.
Prends en note exactement c'est quoi.
Well, I taped there. I have a show. I taped their treasure hunters or something. There were people, you know, and they went in the woods. This guy did business, and he got paid in coins, silver coins, all in silver coins. Took them in the bush, buried them near a tree somewhere there, you know. It's
Yep.
and they're finding hundreds, you know.
A metal detector, it's a lot of fun.
And even there's somewhere they went in England or something, and they were finding, there's a field, and they were like diamonds. You know, you go and no problem, you find a diamond, all kind of old rings and stuff.
Yep.
And then but the thing is, it's got to be cut. That's where it costs money, is to cut it, shape it, put it in a thing there, and you know. So it's...
Donc on va profiter un peu du soleil pour finir une petite chasse. On va voir sur le terrain ici si on peut avoir quelques bons sons. Alors on vous revient si on a une belle trouvaille. Moins cher que ça là, t'es faux.
Carl vient de faire un petit trou juste ici. Et qu'est-ce qu'il a trouvé? Can we see that?
What? Well, it's only the wheel, the cap off, it's not old. It's all old and it's all rusty.
C'est une pièce de tracteur en tout cas, hein?
Eh? Well, a wagon, wheel cap. You know, because you pack it full of grease there, and because you have the bolt there. That's not, nothing special.
Jadis
they come because of
perdu.
the grease and it comes loose, and you know, and something rubs and then it falls off.
Yeah. Jadis perdu, aujourd'hui retrouvé. Oh yeah! Alors voici un détectoriste. Même au téléphone, il continue sa chasse.
Le antéfro, il est spécialisé pour tout. Autant pour les reliques que pour les pépites d'or, que c'est le détecteur le plus volatile du marché.
Et il continue, même au téléphone. Alors voici, Carl vient de faire une belle petite découverte. Une boucle de ceinture. Alors voilà. Carl est toujours en train de faire la détection.
L'histoire de nos pays est enterrée quelques centimètres sous nos pieds. Nous sommes Québec Détecte et nous la ramènerons à la surface. Munis de nos appareils, à la fine pointe de la technologie, nous sommes à la recherche des vestiges du passé. Reliques, bijoux, anciennes monnaies, pépites d'or alluviales. Nous vous invitons à suivre nos aventures et découvrir avec nous ces trésors jadis perdus, aujourd'hui retrouvés.